Hi fashion designers! Since we started the 4 fashion weeks of 2022, we chose to do this step by step, referring to a fall winter trend from last year. I'm going to show you how to draw an effect of puffer pieces, just like this coat worn by Tom Ford. I will use a pencil to draw the croquis first, and it will be very quick and simplified one. Let's take a dark brown color and try to recreate a similar pose to this. Not drawing the eyes because there will be the sunglasses and something like this. Maybe I just want to color this side of the face to just give a nice three-dimensional effect without actually having to add any color. Just gonna go like this. Okay. And I don't think that I want to recreate exact position. I think I will follow this croquis. Okay, I think everything else is just going to be covered, so we can already see the body structure with the template, so no need to trace it. Let's add a couple of shadows to the legs too. Alright, so let's have one more layer on top of this because we will be covering some of these outlines. And sketch the buffer coat. I'm gonna take a black color. And I don't know whether I should stay with the pencil or a pen. I think I'm going to have a pencil. And let's see how it's designed. So it has a lot of volume. It will be actually longer up to here. And I will add now one more layer. Take it under this and take a lighter color to fill it in. And I will be using a marker of a bigger size. So this is the first layer, and with the same color I can take and emphasize of the shadows. It's important for a piece of a big volume to be able to work loose with a big size of a brush in order to be able to see big shapes and big volumes. So that's what I'm doing right now. And I will get a darker color and just build some layers of dark and light. And like once enough area is covered, you can start slowly reducing the size and get into a more precise details. So I switched to the watercolor brush to make all the lines softer and make the whole piece darker. And I will overflow the edge to give it a softer look. And now I will start building these small highlights using a pencil. I will take one more layer, drag it to the top, and take a light color for that. That's it, and let's add some buttons. I'm gonna use a pen for that. And a darker color with a marker. Like so. And I will as well color the sunglasses. Just as a suggestion. And suggest a black color for the bumps. Let's add some shadow. I'm gonna take one more layer and push it down to the top. I'm gonna take a marker, take some gray color, build a shadow. And I will build little more shadows here. And I will try to build a couple more shadows. Like so. And I can adjust them with the eraser. I think this is it. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel.